I just actually never imagined that we'd have the opportunity to provide people the experience that you uniquely offer through the Academy. I think this is just great. People that pass this up just can't imagine what they're missing. This is an exciting time because, you know, this is such an important piece of work. It has so much wisdom in it, and it bridges from theory to practical application. And you know, just countless people I know have benefited from this work.
So in the new book, I talk about several things. I say, what are the learning events or instructional events that we can manipulate as instructors? And I try to point out there's really 4. You know, tell, show, ask, and do. That's really all you can do. But it depends what you tell and what you show and what you do. And so then I argue, okay, there are at least 5 kinds of skills that you need to have to solve problems. And now how do you build each of those skills with these few events? And then once you get those foundations, how do you combine those skills into a problem-solving strategy?
So maybe you could describe a little bit about what you're doing in the course, and that you have 2 versions of them, one of which gives learners the opportunity to be advised by you in their work.
Tell, show, do. I try to practice what I preach, and I think the one course is going to be tell and show, but I think if people are going to master this, they need to actually try to design instruction. So the past number of years I was teaching university, I quit lecturing university, and I said, I've written a book, so you read the book, and then I want you to go do. You know, I want you to I'll do the tell and show, you do the do, and then do without feedback doesn't mean it is not very good. And so I'll provide feedback. I will detail and in some detail look at what you've done, critique it on the basis of what we've talked about, make suggestions, praise you when you've done something I never thought of that's really great. And so that seems to me the best way to teach. And so when you and I talked about teaching this for Allen Academy, I said, well, that's one way I like to do, but I think there might be some people who would rather just hear and then other people want to do. So we have two versions of this course. One is tell, show, and the other is tell, show, do. And in the do, I will individually give personal feedback for every student. Therefore, we're limiting the number that can be in that second cat.